Welcome, today I am with Jabra Elite 65T and I'll show you how you can use these touch buttons, how you can use navigation gestures. So when you grab the left one, we can volume up, volume down, or change songs. We can go for the next or the previous song. So take a look. I'm going to tap on the right one to play music. Tap once. To volume down, you have to press left button. Left button on the left earbud. And that's how you can volume down. If you want to volume up, you have to click on the left earbud, the right button, this one. Let's pause. Okay, let me just volume down one more time. So, okay, we have to play music. And then we can volume down. Next, if you want to switch song, for example, you want to get for the next song, you have to click and hold the right for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, release. When you want to go for the previous song, click left button on the left earbud. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, right now release. So as you can see, on the left earbud you can volume up or volume down. You can also change music, change songs. On the right you can play or pause music by single tap. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.